Wrap. Oh, that's not how you use these. What's up, guys? It's AJ at HOGWORKZ. I'm here to tell you about our Level Up engine guard. It is available in 1.25" tubing, and it also comes with these inserts for the replaceable dowel ring on the ends. It is available for the 14 to 23 and select 24 touring Harley-Davidson models. We're gonna get this installed on the bike and replace the stock engine guard. The tools you're gonna need for this project are gonna be 3/16 Allen, your T45, an extension, and ratchet. Let's start by taking off the factory engine guard. First, we're gonna start by loosening the top two Allen bolts. This is gonna be your 3/16 Allen. So we are removing the top two. Actually, we are loosening the top two Allens for now. Now it's time to remove the bottom Torx bolts, your T45. Moving to the other side now, take out the other Torx bolt, your T45. If you have your highway pegs on, you can take those off to make it easier to get the guard off. Now that you have your pegs removed and the bottom Torx bolts out, your Allen should be loose. You can now lift it off and carefully take it out and right into the trash because you don't need it no more. Now we're gonna install our HOGWORKZ Level Up engine guard. Now that you have your factory engine guard out, you can remove these Allen bolts. You're gonna use the Allen bolts you just took out to hold the HOGWORKZ engine guard in place. Put those in loosely. Now we're gonna install the bottom Torx bolt. Nice and loose. We'll go to the other side. Now we'll install this bottom bolt. Leave that loose. Now we're gonna tighten up our top Allen bolts. Now we're gonna tighten up the bottom bolts. Go to the other side. That concludes the install of our Level Up engine guard. And if you have the double barrel saddlebag guards, they complement each other very well. And they both stick out about 2 to 3 inches and will save your bike if you lay it over.